From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
I'll be starting on freshly washed hair, not as fresh because I washed my hair yesterday, so I shampooed and deep conditioned. I went ahead and put my hair into 4 sections to make it easier on your girl, because I find that when you do mini twist, it can come off as being so overwhelming because you have all this hair and it's just all over the place. So I like to put my hair into sections and work in those sections. So if I do the back and I don't get a chance to finish the front, then it won't look as bad. I could just do something to the front or vice versa, just so I can take my time and stop doing them when I feel like doing them, and I can continue the next day or days to come. I usually do them on soaking wet hair. I'll insert the card somewhere here so you guys can check that video out, but today we're going to do it on stretched hair. And we won't need much to complete this style. We'll just need a spray bottle. Even though I'm doing it on stretched hair, I like for my hair to be a little bit damp, not too much, just a little bit. And then, take your time. And we're also using a white tooth comb to detangle a little bit, but I usually just detangle with my fingers when I'm doing mini twists. But sometimes if I'm doing a big section, I'll use the comb. And then we'll need a, what do you call this again? Rat tail comb, just to part. Sometimes I usually don't part, especially in the back. I'll mostly part in the front, but that's about it. And we're gonna need a moisturizing product so our mini twist can stay moisturized and popping. We don't want to dry mini twist, even though you can refresh them daily or every other day. That's what I usually do. I'll put a how I refresh my mini twist somewhere in the cards right there, because I do have that video on my channel. And today we're going to be using the Alikaynaturals Shea Yogurt Hair Moisturizer. This right here, I've introduced this to you guys before, so you guys know about it. After I washed my hair, I applied Alikay's natural lemongrass twisting butter. I didn't apply any leave-in or anything, just that, so I could have moisturized my hair prior, and I didn't want to go to sleep with dry hair. So my hair is ready. Look at that shine, look at that moisture. Okay, boo. Honestly, I don't even need to add that much product to do my hair. So when I start at the back, I usually part with my fingers, so that's what I just did. And then I part again. I'm not going to make them too small or too big. Honestly, I don't even need to add that much more product or water, so we good, boo. But I'm going to add a little bit more product, especially for the ends. We're gonna twist. I'm not braiding the roots because it'll take forever to take down. Mini twists usually take about 45 minutes for me to take down, and I don't want it to take a whole 2 hours. So I'll just do the 2 sections at the back and then work my way to the front. This side is complete. It took me 30 minutes to finish this side. Sometimes what I usually do when I'm twisting my hair is listen to music, like a new album or something like that, or watch a movie. I'm trying to watch, is it Stranger Things or Stranger Little Things? Wow, one or the other. And it's just creeping me out, okay? I know it's called Stranger Things for a reason, but this season has, like, it's creeping me all the way out. So I'm trying to finish it. Other side is done. Took about the same 30 minutes. Now time for the front. sections in the front, I'm going to braid the roots and then twist. So break it into 3, braid, just so that the front won't get too frizzy and it'll stay fresh a little bit longer. I want to give myself a side part, so I stop right here, and now I'm going to start on this side and make this section right here the last section that I twist up. I'm tired, like really tired, so I don't feel like talking right now. I'm sorry. Goodbye. So we done. Whew. So that took me about almost 4 hours. Remember the last time it took about 6? So we cutting down on time. Your girl was twisting. My ends look very, well, not very, but it's a little bit frizzy. I didn't want to add gel to them just yet since they're fresh, and I want to be able to re-moisturize them as the days go on. But I have the perfect remedy for you guys that I used to do way back that adds curls and also keeps the ends less frizzy and straighter. You know what I mean, just less frizzy on a whole. When I used to do mini twist almost every other week and every wash day, I had a whole routine. So let me show you guys. It's not rocket science, it's not anything major, but I just simply put my hair into some Bantu Knots. That's gonna add more length to the curls and also some curls. Well, add some more curls. So just do a basic Bantu knot. It doesn't have to be extremely tight. If you guys don't know how to Bantu knot, I mean, this is not the video for that. But you can watch some videos if you don't know how to Bantu knot. And I'm going to bobby. Didn't know this is just a regular hairpin. Just gonna pin that in. Sorry guys if I sound like I'm way off. That's because I am, because I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I'm tired, but I love you guys. So I'm just gonna show you guys one time. So can I get a pat on my back and a hand clap? Thank you. Okay, next. So I'm just gonna do that to random sections in my hair. I'm going to section out the front because I want to do smaller Bantu knots in the front. So let's put this away. Since I low-key have bangs that's mostly breakage right now, let's just be honest, and make sure the ends are tucked on the knot to ensure that the ends are smooth, because that's what we're trying to achieve. Oh, I missed this one. You're just gonna just stay out my way. You guys must be like, why your razor sounds so grumpy? Don't act. Y'all know how it is being in your hair all day, especially if you've done mini twist before. You know how it is. Looking all Queen of Liberty-ish. my people. And then we just migrated to Africa. Okay, let's go with it. This section right here, as I said, smaller Bantu knots. The back, you know, big, don't really care what size. Like, no, let's not say bye, because you're gonna still be here. Are you? Please don't go. Subscribe if you haven't. And make sure you guys put on the notification bell. Stop sleeping, okay? Wake up. I took the Bantu knots down the next day. I did sleep with them in. It wasn't too bad to sleep in, and I did exercise the morning and they still held up, so that was good. So I'm just unraveling the knots and taking out the pins. I didn't need to add any extra product on my hands. My hair was still moisturized, extremely moisturized. Let's not forget that word right in there, before moisturized. And my hair felt good. So if you want to add some life to your mini twist, you can do Bantu knots to give you some extra curls. It'll look cute, you know. I do want to try styling my mini twist in different ways, but knowing myself, I usually don't do anything to my mini twist than rock a bun or put it in a ponytail or something. So we'll try. We'll see. But do you guys usually style your mini twist and try different hairstyles or no? This isn't the final result, but the curls are gonna drop. Since I just took them down, they're very tight and to my head, but it's cute either way. So the hair is definitely a lot less frizzy on the ends. We have some cute curls. I would probably have it to the side like this. So do you guys like it? Let me know. Let me know if you guys like it. This is cute. Thank you very much. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.